Hello, my name is Ahmed, and I'm here to help you learn English in a simple, step-by-step way. If you're just starting to learn English, don't worry. I will guide you slowly and clearly so you can understand and practice at your own pace. Learning English can feel difficult at first, but with regular practice and patience, it becomes much easier. Today, I want to take you through a full day in English. We will learn common activities, useful words, and everyday phrases that you can use in your own life. We will also practice pronunciation and learn how to talk about your daily routine naturally. Let's start with the morning. One of the first things we all do every day is wake up. Waking up means opening your eyes and stopping sleeping. Maybe your alarm clock rings, your phone makes a sound, or sunlight comes into your room. When you wake up, you are awake but still in bed. This is different from getting up. Getting up means leaving the bed, sitting or standing, and starting your day. For example, I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning, but I like to stay in bed for a few more minutes. I stretch my arms and legs, think about my day, and sometimes check my phone. After a few minutes of enjoying the quiet, I get up and go to the bathroom. After waking up and getting up, it is important to wash your face and brush your teeth. This helps you feel fresh and ready to begin the day. Many people also like to take a shower. When you have a shower, you stand under running water, wash your body with soap, and sometimes use shampoo for your hair. In British English, people usually say have a shower, while in American English, people often say take a shower. Both expressions are correct. I usually have a shower in the morning because it wakes me up and makes me feel alive. Sometimes, after a long day or when I am sweaty from exercise, I have a shower in the evening. Showers are quick and refreshing, while baths are slower and relaxing. Having a bath is a little different from having a shower. When you have a bath, you sit in a tub filled with warm water. You can add bubbles, oils, or bath salts to make it smell nice and feel relaxing. Baths are perfect for quiet evenings when you want to relax and enjoy some calm time. Personally, I love having a bath on cold nights because it warms me up and helps me feel peaceful. Showers and baths are both useful, but they serve different purposes depending on your mood and the time of day. After washing and feeling fresh, the next part of the morning routine is making your bed. Making your bed does not mean building it. It means arranging your blanket and pillow so that your bed looks neat and tidy. This small task can make your room look cleaner and give you a good feeling to start the day. I always make my bed every morning, and it only takes a few minutes. Sometimes I forget, but when I do make my bed, it helps me feel more organized and ready to face the day. Another important part of daily life is doing the housework. Doing the housework includes cleaning small areas of your home, washing dishes, sweeping the floor, wiping surfaces, and keeping everything organized. It may not always be fun, but it is necessary. I usually do the housework on Saturday mornings. I play some music while cleaning, and it makes the work easier and even enjoyable. Some people clean with their family members, which can turn the activity into a fun routine. Now let's talk about going shopping. Doing the shopping means going to a store or supermarket to buy food, drinks, or other things we need for our homes, like shampoo or toilet paper. In English, we always say do the shopping, not make the shopping or buy the shopping. I usually do my shopping once a week. I make a list of things I need like milk, bread, eggs, fruits, and vegetables, then go to the supermarket. Some people shop every day, while others do it once a week. The phrase do the shopping is the same no matter how often you shop. Sometimes people have late nights. Having a late night means going to bed very late, perhaps after watching a movie, talking with friends, or checking your phone. For example, last Saturday I had a late night because I watched a long film that finished after 11 p.m., and then I spent more time on my phone. The next morning I felt very tired, even though I woke up at my usual time. Late nights can be fun, but if they happen too often, they make you sleepy and less healthy. It is important to balance fun and rest. At the end of the day, we use the phrases go to bed and go to sleep. Going to bed means lying down in your bed and getting ready for sleep. You may still be awake, reading a book, scrolling on your phone, or thinking quietly. Going to sleep, however, means closing your eyes and actually falling asleep. For example, I usually go to bed at 10:30 p.m., but I go to sleep around 11:00 p.m. because I like to relax for a little while. Some nights I fall asleep very quickly, while other nights it takes more time. Both are normal, and it is fine to have some variation in your sleep routine. Learning English is not about being perfect. It is about practicing, listening, repeating, and using words in your daily life. You can talk about your morning, your afternoon, and your night using phrases like wake up, get up, have a shower, have a bath, make your bed, do the housework, do the shopping, have a late night, go to bed, and go to sleep. Practicing these phrases will help you speak English naturally and confidently. You can also create your own routine sentences. For example, you might say, I wake up at 7:00 a.m. I get up at 7:15. I take a shower and have breakfast. I make my bed and do some cleaning. Then in the evening you can say, I go to bed at 10:00 p.m. I go to sleep at 10:30 p.m. Practicing like this every day will improve your English step by step. Remember, learning English is like learning any new skill. It takes time and patience. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep speaking, even if it feels difficult at first. Every small step counts. Soon, you will feel more confident talking about your day, your habits, and your routine in English. By following these steps, you can improve your vocabulary, understand daily conversations, and communicate clearly. Start with simple sentences and repeat them every day. Over time, you will be able to talk about your daily routine in more detail and even add your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. So try to think about your day and practice describing it in English. Use the phrases and words we learned today and remember that mistakes are part of learning. The more you practice, the easier it will become. Step by step, day by day, you can improve your English naturally and confidently.